PageUp is our very first applicant tracking system. I've been there for about a year and a half, and when I applied, I emailed my materials to an email address. And my first thought was like, whoa, I'm not applying online. So I think they really appreciate the candidate experience and the immediate access to the materials. And one of our deans was like, this is so much better than what we used to have. I don't kill any trees because I can look at everything online and rate the candidates and all the scores are there. For her to say that it was a lot better was really amazing. I love working with the PageUp team. They are so friendly and very knowledgeable and really, really willing to listen to my needs as a customer. And I'm always surprised when I say, you know, it'd be really great if the system did this. And a couple of months later, they're like, hey, Michelle, guess what? We made this and it works. And here you go. We're going to put it in beta. So I really appreciate that focus on customer requests and customer needs. And the highlight of my week is our weekly meetings with our technical support person, Andrea. We use the live chat a lot. So we use that quite a bit, and we are being slowly trained to use the Knowledge Center to answer our questions. I'm really more of a like, hey Andrea, what do you think about this? But we're trying to be better about using the Knowledge Center and getting information from there, because it's all in there. You just have to go and seek it out. The ability to call Andrea or to email and to say, hey, what about this? This is what we're thinking. We want to try this. And she comes up with solutions for us. She takes a look at what's in our system. She's like, why are you doing it that way? It'd be easier if you did this. And we're like, oh, well, we didn't know we could do that. So I think that also she is constantly looking towards doing things better, doing things easier, faster, using the full breadth of the functionality in the system. And so she's really taught us a lot as well. Very strong collaboration. And I really appreciate that, because we have really limited resources, and I really count on her as a part of our team. You know, she's another brain that we can use to meet our goals and to make our process better. I think then the next step for us is to really put in some metrics and, you know, are we having a better time to hire? Are we, able to capture our applicant data better? Are we able to move things along faster? So I'm looking forward to doing that and to being able to provide meaningful metrics for the organization. I'm really impressed with the reporting that we've been able to do. Just today we got a request for some gender and ethnicity numbers for an entire college, and we were able to turn it around in a couple of hours. So that was really, I think, a win for us and a win for the person asking. We interact heavily with our TAM, Andrea, and she is fabulous. And I always know that she's there for us and she has our best interest. I have also really appreciated Jess's input when we need it. She's always willing to listen to what we want, to work with us. We're considering adding the contractor module. And I said flat out, I was like, we don't have that much money. She's like, okay, well, let me take this back and see what I can do. And she came back with something that we could work with. So I really, really appreciate that willingness to meet me where I'm at and to make the system work for us.